Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Darmeshia West. I am a Mary Kay beauty consultant, and this channel is to bring you Mary Kay new products, to demonstrate products, to do all kinds of things that with Mary Kay. Right now I'm doing the clinical solutions, and so if you have been watching that video, you can catch me in the other videos. It's an 8-week process, and I'm in just finished week 7 going into week 8. But what I'm here to talk about is something new. Maybe you have been seeing my post on Facebook, but these are our new Mary Kay lip kit. So this is pink lip kit, and this is our nude kit. And so what these are is take the guesswork out when you're trying to put a lip liner and a lipstick together. Mary Kay come up with this kit to take out all the guessing work. So I'm opening it up. So this is what it looks like. It comes with the lipstick and the lip liner. Yes. And so the other one is the same way. Let's let you see that one. It's the same. So I'm going to try these on. Yes, I am. So I'm excited about that. The first one I'm going to try is the rose one. Pink. I call it pink, but on the bottom it say pink/rose, but it's pink. This is a cream lipstick. Look at there. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh. So that is that. But I'm going to do the lip liner first. So let me see, can I do this? So I'm probably not going to talk. So I can get it right. Do my lip. So this is the lip liner. You see me shaking, so I can't talk and do this at the same time. You're just tracing your regular lip line. Okay, got the lip liner on. And now I'm going to add the lipstick. And it's cream. So my hand was not straight at all. But look at that color, guys. It looked really nice. So what do you think? This is the pink. Pink. I love it. This is pink. This is the pink lip kit with the pink liner. So no guessing of trying to match a lip liner with your color. So this is the pink one. So now let's try the nude one. So once again, I'm going to do the lip liner first and then apply the lipstick. It is cream. And I'm just going to apply it without trying to talk. So I'm going back in because I didn't get too close to my lip line. So I'm just going to go back in, get closer to it. As you see, my lip line is dark already. I heard that's a plus. some people. So this is Nude. Alrighty. So let's try the lipstick. Look at that, guys. It is Nude. So let's try this on. So again, getting close to my lip line again. Oh, I wasn't straight at the beginning. So this is Nude. This is the Nude, guys. So if you was going for a nude chill look, this would be it. What do you guys think about this Nude? It is shining. It say it's cream, so it's not matte, so they help out. But if I wanted to add a little jazz to it, I can do that as well. This is the Nude lip kit. I like it. If you're just trying to throw something on your lips quick, that'll be great to have on. So this is Nude. Nude lip liner kit. So we have the Nude lip liner kit, and we also have the pink, and these are $28 for the kit. So you're getting the lip liner, and you also getting the lipstick itself. So that's a great deal with itself. So this is just a description what Mary Kay said about the lip kit. It was saying from full to thin, round to straight, everything in between, make the most of your unique lip shape. So if you want your lips to be fuller, thinner, that's where the lip liner come in place. So you can enhance your look with this double duty pairing that takes the guesswork out of shade combinations. Take a two-step approach to color payoff by defining your lips first, then drenching them in a creamy color for eye-catching look. Two fresh and flattering hues, a rich neutral and a fun pop of color. Make these kits perfect for a gift giving to yourself or for your fellow beauty lovers. So anyone that you know that may be interested in this, we have a couple holidays coming up. We have Mother's Day coming up. If someone is making an Easter basket for someone, these will be available. You can order. I will post a link in the description below. But these make great gifts. They make great little gifts for someone that you may know. Once again, this is Nude. This is the nude lip color, and this is the pink. I like both of them. So I will post a picture so you can see them. Once again, please share, like, and comment. If you have not already subscribed to my page, please do so you'll be notified when I post new content such as these new products right here. So thank you for watching, and once again, please click that subscribe button. Looking forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye-bye.